The next party which we are going to talk about, that is Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, the party in power today. It was founded in 1980. Okay, it was founded in 1980, founded by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Okay, and this party wants to build a strong and modern India. Built strong and modern India by drawing inspiration. Strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and values and Deen Dayal Upadhyay's ideas of integral humanism and the Antyodaya. Next what it want to build. What is its important element? Its important element is cultural nationalism. Okay, what is that? Cultural nationalism. Cultural national. What is our cultural nationalism? That is Hindutva. Okay, it is its important element in its conception of Indian nationhood and the politics. Earlier limited to the north and west and to the urban areas, the party extended its support in south, east and the northeast and to the rural areas. In 2014 Lok Sabha election, this party is emerged as the largest party with 282 members. Okay, 282 members in Lok Sabha when in 2014. Second party is Bahujan Samaj Party. When this party was formed, this party was formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram. This party seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj, which includes the Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs and religious minorities. This party stands for the cause of securing the interest and welfare of the Dalits and the oppressed peoples. It has its main base in the state of Uttar Pradesh and the substantial presence in the neighboring states like Madhya Pradesh, okay, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi and Punjab. In these areas this party is found today. Different forms in UP several times by taking the support of different parties at the different times. So this was about the Bahujan Samaj Party. Next is Communist Party of India. Communist Party of India, or we can say CPI. When it was formed in 1925, believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism and democracy. This party believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism and democracy. This party has opposed to force the secessionism and the communalism. This party accepts the parliamentary democracy as a means of promoting the interest for the working class, farmers and the poor. This has shown the significant presence in the states of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, where this party is found. This party is active in these areas, and it has secured less than 1% of votes and one seat. Okay, less than 1% votes and only one seat in Lok Sabha 2014 elections. Next, fifth party which we are going to talk about, that is Communist Party of India. Marxist. Okay, Communist Party of India, Marxist, that is CPIM. Okay, CPIM. This is founded in 1964. Okay, this also party believes in Marxism, Leninism, but it supports socialism, secularism and democracy and opposes the imperialism and the communalism. This party accepts the democratic elections as a useful and helpful means for the securing the objective of socio-economic justice in India. This has enjoyed a strong support in West Bengal, Kerala and Tripura only. The part which is in power in West Bengal without a break for the 34 years. Okay, for the 34 years in the West Bengal. In 2014 elections, 2014 Lok Sabha elections, it got 3% votes and 9 seats.